Hey fam, thanks for coming to check out another video. So this video is showing you guys some new hair. It is from a company called VSHOW Hair. They did send me a lace frontal unit. The unit does have 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and this unit is a deep curly unit. It says that it has a pre-plucked lace front and it has a natural hairline with baby hairs. So right now I'm just showing you how I lay down my unit. So this time I decided to use the Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle. I feel like every time I lay down my unit I use a different method but it comes out the same regardless, so it's just funny. I just like to do it different ways. So yeah, I used the yellow bottle this time. I do like the yellow bottle of Got to Be Glued because it does dry fast and it's not as wet. But the only problem with the yellow bottle is sometimes it does leave a white residue, so beware of that. I feel like this unit probably could have been plucked a little more at the front, but it's not that critical. Curly units for me, I don't get too caught up in the hairline looking absolutely perfect because I like my curly units to look a little more wild and effortless and just natural. And I feel like when I wear my own curly hair naturally, it's not perfectly in place. So I just laid it down with my Glee Made baby hair scarf, which is the perfect thing to use to lay down your lace fronts and to secure your wigs onto your head while your glue and whatever you use while it dries. So if you want to grab one of those, I will leave a link in the information bar down below where you can grab a Glee Made baby hair scarf for $8. I will also leave a link to where you can grab this wig in the information bar down below. And you can check out VSHOW Hair for yourself. Check out all the wigs that they have to offer and see if you see something that you like. So as far as this unit, I really do love the curl pattern on this unit. It's not super duper curly, but it does have like a nice wavy curly mix. To me it feels like a wavy curly hair, as opposed to being just like super duper curly everywhere. This is the hair air dried because like I told you, I did bleach the knots, so I did just let the hair air dry, and this is the pattern of the hair once it's air dried. I went ahead and just laid down a few baby hairs, laid down my sideburns, trimmed those up, and yeah, I'll just let you guys watch how I style this unit. If you have questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness, and that is the best way to keep up with me on a daily basis. I'll be right back to close off this video. So you guys, as you can see, this hair is really beautiful. I'm super duper happy with it. I love how effortless this unit looks and how effortlessly it goes on. It's really beautiful. Like, I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't have to do anything but bleach the knots and lay it down and let it air dry. So I feel like this unit will be a nice one for the summer or for vacation, and it's just really beautiful. So make sure you check out VSHOW Hair. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.